Hello, hello. I'm Jessica Amos. I'm a mindfulness and meditation teacher, and I'm a life transformation coach. And I'm here today to talk to you about Dominique DeVita. I hired Dominique of Yes Tantra because I really wanted to tap into my own pleasure and the life force energy moving in me and through me, and really direct that energy into growing my business and practicing self-love and really radiating from the inside out and attracting what it is I desire to attract in my life, not just in a partner, but when it comes to money, when it comes to relationships, when it comes to mothering my children, when it comes to everything my heart desires. She helped me clear out emotional trauma and things I was holding onto within my body from past relationships. We did a full-on sort of relational detox within my energy. And then she gave me practices and things that I could use that were very specific to me, that worked for what I was needing in terms of tantric practices that helped connect me to my body, to really to the next level when it comes to loving myself. And working with her not only helped me attract like men on the street walking up to me and telling me I'm beautiful, and walking up to me in parking lots and asking me out on dates and asking me for my number, which is something that was not happening before. I also, after working with her, landed like 5 ideal clients within a really short amount of time, made more money than I've ever made, and asked more money than I've ever asked working with clients. So not only do I feel more pleasure and more joy in my life and in myself, and feeling myself as the goddess, the empress that I am, I'm attracting in exactly what it is I desire just by tapping into these pleasure practices, these tantric practices, and that life force energy that we know can really, really guides us and directs us in our lives. So incredibly grateful to Dominique. If you have a chance to work with her, get on it. It is life-changing work. I think everyone needs to be doing this. So thank you so much for your time. Enjoy working with Dominique.